in. Oh dang, I'm joining WoW right now. Okay, I'm
Wait,
in.
hang on. Have I told you of the song called Bad Luck Charm?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna send you that one as well then.
And apparently I'm in game mode
And that's the last one.
as
Yeah, that's the last
survival.
one.
Okay, are you in yet? There are a lot of dead fishes.
Of course there are. I wonder who killed them all. You murderer.
I did not kill them all.
Hey, hey.
Hi there.
I wonder why I'm overboard and you start the ship, huh? Huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, basically.
You're trying to kill me right off the bat already, is it?
Oh wait,
Hey,
I forgotten to add something.
wait, what's that thing? What's that thing below us, by the way?
Basically, I made this map and I forgot to add ladder. Ladders?
Oh,
Come on, ladders.
what the fuck? Oh, whoa.
What?
Um, um, what's that? It's oh shit. Look over there. See that? Look at that thing. Did you see that?
Okay, it's a zombie.
That was not a zombie. He came up, took a piece of fish, and went down.
What? I clearly
Okay.
did not see that.
See, he has a fishing rod as well.
Oh my god. I don't know what the hell is that, but look at the chest.
Wait, oh, so wait. Those fish are a trap. You see that? Wait, you see those bubbles? You see that rift down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sucks you in. You can't swim upwards when you're in those bubbles.
Okay, and we are under attack. Immediately, can we sail away this ship? Oh yeah,
Oh,
basically this ship I made. Yeah, I just tell the viewers because they don't know. They caught me cheating at the start because I forgot to add something. But I gotta get a sword and the bow.
fine. You take the sword then. I'll take the bow. You take the.
Alright.
I'll take a shield and I'll take the boots. Cause you're the guy in the front. Actually, no, you can have both armor. I don't need it. I'm not a
Why
noob.
is the turtle shell?
I'll take the helmet. No,
Yeah.
you can have the helmet as well. I don't need it. Armor is for noobs.
Alright then.
I'll take the resources. Get a water breathing potion. Everything else in the chest is for you.
Yeah. And we need this thing. This is a very crowded ship. No, a very
Wait, do we?
squeezy ship. As a boat, actually.
One sec. Wait. Give me. Wait. Stop.
What? Oh, this gives you water breathing forever.
No, it gives us water breathing for 8 minutes.
No, I mean the turtle shell.
Wait,
That's
what?
what's new.
Interesting.
Do you want it?
No, I don't need it.
And you tore away our sail. There's a
I,
crafting table on the floor.
I'm using it.
Oh, okay. Where are those zombies?
Have you taken? I take everything in the chest.
Let's take the whole chest.
Yeah.
Why you gonna abandon ship?
Okay, you really want to stay here? Okay, fine. Let's make this our base then.
Do this up.
Put the chest back down then. Do it. Do
Alright,
it.
alright. Oh yeah, let's repair the sail, alright.
Let me just put that in. Now, I'm keeping the pickaxe with me. And I am making myself a stone sword.
Okay, that's
Even
a
the,
tower thing right there.
did you hear that the zombies even sound different?
Where are they? Under the ship?
Yes.
Oh, give them a piece of my mind.
You wanna make beds?
Whoa, they are fast. Get the sail and yeah.
Get this here and make beds.
Yeah. Gonna tear down the sail, we do not need it.
Just get 6 pieces. But you know what I love?
What?
Items now float up in the water.
Really?
Yes.
Let me throw something in the water. No, they don't.
What? Yes, they did. I killed the zombie and the rotten flesh floated up.
Well, the wool sunk down.
You wasted a wool? I'm gonna knock you into the. I'm just kidding. How much wool do you
Wait,
have?
It floated up as well. Okay, I am under attack by some
Oh my
stupid
god, I'm
thing.
floating down so slowly. Oh, we can use the rift to go down faster.
Yeah.
Oh, if you want to go down faster in the water, you can hold shift.
Oh yeah, there's PvP on there, by the way. We don't want to hit each other.
Also now you don't just go back to full breath moment you get back to the top of the water.
Right, interesting. Well, we got our bait set up.
But we need. Wait, do you have it? Where can we find turtles? We're not gonna get another turtle helmet.
Not.
Hmm.
I think those zombies dropped them.
What? No. The turtles are dropped from turtles, man.
Or maybe we can craft them. We do not need this sail, right?
Okay. Let me check. The turtle helmet is made from turtle shells. Sorry, the turtle it's made with 6 scutes. The scutes are items that are obtained from killing baby turtle. No, that drop from baby turtles when you grow them into adults.
Interesting.
Now, how do we turn baby turtles into full-grown turtles?
That I don't know. I'm repairing the sail. Jump back in the water.
The turtles will follow a player holding seagrass.
Man, the zombies sound.
Baby
odd.
turtles suffocate inside of soul sand. They are attacked by zombies, zombie villagers, husks, and the new type of zombies called the drowned.
The what?
The drowned.
Are those the zombies that we are currently fighting?
Yes, the drowned.
The drowned. Ouch. I heard that.
Yeah, I jumped right into him. That's mentally my fault, just saying.
I got baits.
Whoa, what's this upgrade, huh? What's this upgrade? Oh, a baby drowned!
Those are very deadly.
I mean, no. They are basically just small hitboxes. They move about the same speed. Wait, but you know what kind of food be? The dead fishes. Easy food supply.
Right. Okay, time to sleep. You want to sleep?
No, I'm killing fishes. Alright, I'm getting us dinner. Also, there's a drowned right underneath you.
I don't like it.
I killed it. Wait, come here. Look at this. See, I'm swimming. I go at the bubbles, then boom, being dragged down. Oh shit.
Don't do that. Okay, we gonna sleep. We gonna explore towers.
Well, first let me just wait, we have limited wood, huh? We don't have limited coal. Let's turn the block of coal into coal for now. And we need to use the coal efficiently, which means I'm gonna need to get some more fishes.
Yeah. Is this
Before
resources well
I
given?
start cooking them. I
Wait,
need
is
to-
this resources too generous or is it just nice?
Oh!
Shouldn't you have a bow?
It's throwing tridents at me. Oh, they hurt.
Yes.
Those things hurt.
Oh.
Dude, he can basically two-shot me. Did you know that?
Okay.
No. He can two-shot you as. Oh wait, no, you have armor.
Never mind. Damn.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, he's dead. He didn't
Okay.
drop anything.
What?
Though.
He didn't drop the trident. Oh, wait, behind you.
Whoa! Where is this guys coming from?
Oh, he was they're drowned.
Are they gonna appear all day?
No, I mean, yeah, I guess.
Do you think the resources I given is just nice or is it too much?
I have no idea, but I think they're coming from the water, I'm pretty sure. They drowned. They're coming from the bottom of the ocean.
I guess it's generous enough.
Okay, you wanna go explore that tower?
Yeah, sure.
Hang on, wait, give me a moment.
I don't want to carry everything on me, so if I die, yeah.
Putting the
Only
water
golden
breathing.
apples.
I'm putting the water breathing potion away.
I am too. You wanna put the boot away? I'll
Wanna
be
go?
using it.
No, we don't need it.
We don't need the boot. No boot.
I'm gonna keep the shield actually. Wait, I could have used shield against the tridents, huh? Actually, you wanna explore that rift down there? Because it looks like it's a light source.
Wait, does my boat actually sink to the bottom?
Whoa. Oh, it's shaking!
Whoa! It does!
One sec.
This is fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I really want to experiment with my only boat. Okay, that's bad. No. Holy cow! No, I'm not gonna play with that. No, no. Enough of that. Row the boat. No, I don't think I did those armor, right? They're redundant. Interesting map. I wonder how we are gonna survive in this. There's a shipwreck. Wow. Okay. That's good.
I'm back.
Alright, I see. I just realized there's a shipwreck there.
Nice, but I'm gonna jump down here. I'm going down. What's down here? There's
Very interesting.
nope. There's magma blocks down there,
Magma brought suck you down.
and the drowned are coming from that rift. Like these two right here.
Oh, that's how you kill salmons. Ah.
Yeah, you just chill.
Oh, whoa, I'm drowning. I didn't even realize it. Wait, those water breathing doesn't go on forever, do they?
Oh, the drowned is being stuck into the rift.
I need some food.
Wait,